Hey, what's up, traders? It's James from Take Profit Trader, and this is episode 2 of Prop Talk. In episode 1, it was really a overview of what Prop Talk was going to be about bringing traders on, about new features at TPT, some educational material. We're gonna bring on our head trader here. We're gonna talk a lot of trading stuff. I'm really excited about it, and in this episode, we're gonna talk about some responses we got from traders based on Pro Plus development. If you don't remember, a couple weeks ago, we brought out a version of our Pro Plus account called Pro Plus Development Account. I'll give you a little refresher here. It was a specialized, tighter risk set account for traders that we've seen are trading max size all the time, all or nothing type strategies with very risky behavior. Instead of just kicking them to the curb and kicking them out of TPT, what we did is we're trying to instill some better risk habits, right? We keep them trading live, same daily payouts, the same things they love. The payout policy doesn't change at all. It's just that the amount of size you'd be able to trade has come in a little bit. These accounts are built to get you back into regular Pro Plus. And we also said, hey, if you felt like you were put there unfairly, please write us an email. We get things wrong. We'll take a look at it. 4 traders asked to come back. We reviewed each case closely to determine if the trader should be moved back to Pro Plus. First up is a trader we gave a second chance and what they did with it. So let's go through this. I'm not going to read through the email. It's here on the screen. Basically what the trader says is, I should not have been placed in Pro Plus development accounts. I'm requesting a review. Please review my stuff. So we did. He was having a real good month in April. You could see he was up $54,000 in April. A lot of winning days. You see that one red day on the screen with minus 11,000. May was even stronger. He had more red days, but his total P&L was up 135K in May in closed P&L. This user got flagged because he started to show a behavior of risky trading and back-to-back trading days where you can see minus 17,000 and then minus 19,000 in those 2 red boxes. So it's like minus 36,000 and change across 2 days. This was diving into the scorecard. We saw that his average losers was about 30 minutes, which means he was really holding on to those losers. And what happens when you hold on to losers is those numbers can get a lot bigger on the losing side. So essentially you're cutting your winners and making your losers, letting your losers run, which is the opposite, obviously, of what we want to try to do. What we did though, is we actually put them back into regular Pro Plus because we said, we really want you to slow down. We don't want to see you give all your returns back in a single session or in back-to-back sessions. We don't want you to wipe out a great month in 2 trading sessions because you're holding on to your losers for a long time. So we're going to put you back, but just please slow down. After that, he wrote us back and agreed. Thank you so much for your response and your help. I really appreciate the reconsideration. I'll do my best to trade these accounts. So day 1 back, he loses all 5 accounts, maximum size. So we put this trader back into development. So you can see here, looking at the scorecard, he lost, $28,630 on this day. So minus 47,000 in June so far. The trend basically continued. You had 2 big losing days in a row. Now you add the 3rd one on and things aren't looking so good. This just shows that Pro Plus development is made to force you into better risk management, force you into getting out of your own way and being able to hey, if you hit your daily loss, you're just paused for the day. Come back tomorrow. Don't give it all back, right? It's not a punishment. Is to rebuild your habits so that this trader could take his green days and just keep riding with them. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to actually go to the scorecards. This trader right here wanted to be reconsidered. The first thing I can see is the average time in the trade, guys. Like his average time in the trade was really low. It's actually gotten higher since we declined his reinstatement. His average time in the trade was like 15 seconds or 17 seconds. And I'll show you, you can see that a really ugly negative cumulative P&L that's just going in. We don't want to see it going down and to the right. We want to see it going up and to the right. But what we noticed when we looked at this trader, and now he's in development, so we wouldn't be able to trade as big, is very short duration time in trade. And a lot of times right around the open, trying to get in and out 8:29, 37 seconds. And this is full size NQ. If you're trading full size NQ, guys, around the open, you're asking for trouble. So this trader, we did not let back in. This one was a little bit more nuanced. You can see that the cumulative P&L is swinging back and forth, up and down like a yo-yo. We can go back to May. We can see some nice days, right? But what you'll notice is if you take away the test accounts, you'll see patterns of like very big winning days, very big losing days. It looks like a lot of all or nothing. Since been back in Pro Plus development, you're seeing just very little risk management. It's a lot of full size, win big or lose big. What we're trying to do with these examples of the last 2 I showed you is slow you down so that when you win, you're not giving it all back on the next day. this trader that's asking for reinstatement. You can see some very nice winning days, some very big losing days. I really noticed about this user is he asked for a reconsideration because he says, hey, look at my days when I won $9,000. And what triggered this trader is what he does when he makes money in Pro Plus is he would take out $9,654 and leave $1 in his Pro Plus account. It's your profit. You should be able to take it, but we expect some sustainability and to be able to win together. So we don't expect just to draw the account down to zero, because eventually when you're swinging like that, guys, what's going to happen is you take multiple punches in the face. If you're just pulling all the money out to sacrifice the account to get a fresh account to potentially lose and we lose 100%, that doesn't really seem like a partnership. What we asked this trader to do is, again, just slow down. We really want risk management to be a process for you guys. So I hope that this was helpful of letting you kind of see behind the curtain of how we make these decisions, how we review these decisions when they're coming through. Take Profit Trader will allow you in a development account to create better habits, giving you an opportunity to grow as a trader. And that's what Pro Plus Development is all about. So if you get an email from Pro Plus Development and you think you shouldn't be in Pro Plus Development, you feel like you don't deserve those tighter risk rules, send us an email, development@TakeProfitTrader. We'll dive into your case just like we did with these four. If you haven't yet subscribed to Prop Talk, please do, man. We got some great stuff coming out. I'm really excited about it. And if you have any questions or ideas for Prop Talk, please always comments below. We're happy to hear them. We're happy to discuss anything you guys want to discuss. And if you're not in development and you never get the email, you probably still need to slow down. So slow down, go slower. You don't have to get there tomorrow. I'm James with Take Profit Trader. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll talk to you soon.